Hi Maybree. Hi Maybree's mommy and Maybree's daddy. It's Grammy Love and Grandpa Love. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Maybree.
Okay, we're going to show you the birds now, Maybree. Remember the last time you were here? And we looked at the bird house and the bird flew away. The bird flew away. So let's see what's in the bird house now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Here we go. Shh, shh, shh. How many baby birds are there, Daddy?
There's 1, 2, 3, 5, I think.
Can you see the baby birds, Maybree? I don't want to get too hot. See them? Okay, look at the baby birds. Look at their beaks, Maybree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They look like they want something to eat.
They want something to eat. Here we go. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye. Now let's show you Mommy Heather's tree. That's Mommy's tree. And here's Daddy's tree. Look at all the buds that are going to blossom. The wisteria, which is for Grandpa Freddie. The weeping willow for Great-Grandma Love, Great-Grandma Virginia Love. And here's Maybree's tree. Here's Maybree's tree. Remember Maybree's foot? There's Maybree's foot down there. This is Maybree's tree. And look, here's Mommy and Daddy's wedding tree. And this tree was planted when Mommy and Daddy got married back here. It's a catalpa tree. Look at that, Maybree. We love you.